Welcome back to our Healthy Fitness and Entertainment channel. I am Paul Damiano from Lilongwe, Malawi. You need to watch this if you struggle with high blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health concern. It affects millions of people worldwide. Blood pressure refers to the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. When this force is consistently too high, it puts extra strain on your heart and blood vessels. Think of your arteries as highways for your blood. High blood pressure is like having a traffic jam in those highways. The constant pressure can damage the artery walls, just like heavy traffic can damage a road. Over time, this damage increases the risk of serious health problems. High blood pressure is often called a silent killer because it usually doesn't cause noticeable symptoms. Many people don't even know they have it. This is why regular blood pressure checks are crucial. Early detection and management are key to preventing complications. Remember, understanding high blood pressure is the first step towards effectively managing it. It's about taking charge of your health and making informed choices for a longer, healthier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Decoding the culprits. What causes high blood pressure? High blood pressure is a complex condition with various contributing factors. Some causes are beyond our control, like genetics and aging. As we get older, our blood vessels naturally become less flexible, potentially leading to increased blood pressure. Lifestyle choices play a significant role in high blood pressure development. Unhealthy diets high in salt, saturated fat, and cholesterol can contribute to the problem. A lack of physical activity and excessive alcohol consumption also increase the risk. Chronic stress is another factor often overlooked. When we're constantly stressed, our bodies release hormones that elevate blood pressure. Additionally, certain medical conditions like kidney disease and sleep apnea can contribute to hypertension. Understanding the causes of high blood pressure allows us to make targeted lifestyle changes. By addressing these modifiable risk factors, we can significantly reduce our chances of developing this condition and improve our overall health. High blood pressure's impact, a domino effect on your health. Untreated high blood pressure is a major risk factor for serious health problems. It's like a ticking time bomb that can have devastating consequences for your body. Over time, the constant strain on your heart can lead to heart disease, heart attacks, and heart failure. High blood pressure also damages blood vessels throughout your body, increasing the risk of stroke. When blood flow to the brain is interrupted or reduced, brain cells are deprived of oxygen and nutrients, leading to potential brain damage. The kidneys are another target of high blood pressure's damaging effects. Over time, uncontrolled hypertension can lead to kidney disease, reducing their ability to filter waste products from your blood. It's crucial to remember that high blood pressure often doesn't present noticeable symptoms. Regular checkups and early intervention are vital to preventing these severe health complications and maintaining overall well-being. Nature's remedies. Taming high blood pressure naturally. Managing high blood pressure often involves a combination of lifestyle modifications and, in some cases, medication. However, there are many natural ways to support healthy blood pressure levels and complement traditional treatments. One of the most effective natural approaches is adopting a heart-healthy diet. This includes reducing sodium intake, consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and choosing lean protein sources. Regular physical activity is another cornerstone of natural blood pressure management. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Incorporating stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine can also make a difference. Practices like deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature can help lower stress hormones and promote relaxation, ultimately benefiting your blood pressure. Section 5. The power of a heart-healthy plate. Dietary changes for better blood pressure. Making conscious food choices is a powerful tool in managing blood pressure. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and providing it with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Start by reducing your sodium intake. Aim for no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, ideally less. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with potassium, magnesium, and fiber, all of which help lower blood pressure. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet to benefit from their diverse range of nutrients. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood pressure. Incorporate them into your meals and snacks for sustained energy and heart health. Limit saturated and unhealthy fats found in red meat, full-fat dairy products, and processed foods. Instead, opt for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, lentils, and tofu. These simple dietary changes can make a significant difference in managing your blood pressure and improving your overall health. Section 6. Moving towards a healthier you, exercise and blood pressure. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart and managing blood pressure. Exercise helps strengthen your heart muscle, allowing it to pump blood more efficiently. This, in turn, reduces the force on your arteries, lowering blood pressure. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include activities like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, dancing, or gardening. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase your activity level. Listen to your body, and don't overdo it. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can be beneficial. Take the stairs instead of the lift, park farther away from your destination, or do some light stretching during breaks. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can help you create a safe and effective exercise plan tailored to your needs. Section 7. Stress less, live more. Managing stress for optimal blood pressure. Chronic stress can significantly impact our blood pressure. When we experience stress, our bodies release hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which temporarily increase blood pressure. Over time, constant stress can lead to chronically elevated blood pressure. Incorporating stress-reducing techniques into your daily life is essential for managing blood pressure. Deep breathing exercises are a simple yet effective way to calm your nervous system and lower blood pressure. Practice deep, slow breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Meditation and mindfulness practices have also been shown to reduce stress and lower blood pressure. These practices involve focusing your attention on the present moment, letting go of negative thoughts, and cultivating a sense of calm and acceptance. Other stress-relieving activities include yoga, tai chi, listening to calming music, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Find what works best for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Section 8. Everyday habits, extraordinary impact, practical tips for a heart-healthy lifestyle. Making small changes to your daily routine can significantly impact your blood pressure and overall health. Start by quitting smoking. Smoking damages your blood vessels and raises your blood pressure. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart health. Limit your alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can raise your blood pressure. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For men, that means up to 2 drinks per day, and for women, up to 1 drink per day. Get enough sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more stress hormones, which can elevate blood pressure. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Manage your weight. Being overweight or obese increases your risk of high blood pressure. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a difference. Focus on a healthy diet and regular exercise to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Section 9. Your health, your power. Taking charge of your blood pressure. Managing high blood pressure is a lifelong journey that requires proactive steps and consistent effort. By adopting a holistic approach that addresses both lifestyle factors and medical management, you can take control of your health and live a longer, healthier life. Remember that small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy habits into your daily routine, and gradually build from there. Celebrate your successes, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Regularly monitor your blood pressure and consult your healthcare provider for guidance and support. They can help you create a personalized plan that meets your individual needs and monitor your progress. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. With the right knowledge, tools, and support, you can effectively manage your blood pressure and live a vibrant, fulfilling life. Take charge of your health today and empower yourself for a brighter tomorrow.